promotion, please call now. You may be entitled to a cash award. If you've had a transvaginal mesh, bladder mesh, pelvic sling, or bladder sling medical procedure and suffered serious injury or complications, please call 1-800-948-5731 now